Well, here we are at today's storage facility. I'm about to get out of the truck. I've already gone in and we've opened the door on this one. It's a beaut. No roll-up doors. It's just like a hallway with steel doors. It looks exactly like a prison. Exactly like a prison. It's very confined. It's very cold because everything's cement in there and steel. Here we go. Alright, so here we go. And I'm on the second floor. This unit's on the second floor. So let me go, let's go to the elevator. Oh, wait a minute. There. We got a washer, we got a sofa, we got a love seat. This was a shocker, I'll have to say. And here we are at amazing. I have no idea what's in there other than a dog of some sort. And here we are. Here it is in all of its glory. Washer, which is why I bought it, but I don't know if it works. There's a sofa, there's a love seat, there's a coffee table. I don't know. Junk. We'll dig into it here in a minute. All right, let's get to it. Joy, joy. Whew. Okay, so I've been here an hour. I've got two things loaded. The washer and the sofa. Man, that was tough. But we're down to manageable things now. Inexpensive chest of drawers, a coffee table, two end tables, some cushions. There is a microwave box down there. Who knows if we got a microwave in it. And some kind of assembly table shelf thing that's probably destined for the dump. Nevertheless, I think we'll be done here shortly. Man, and the dog's still barking. Man, that bothers me. Anyway, okay, I'm sweating now. Whew! All right, let's get at it. Well, this was a tough one. Got everything loaded up here. And so what I do is I try to load all the trash on either the truck or the trailer, and then all the keepable stuff on the other thing. So here's the trailer, okay? Here's the truck. And those dollies in the hand truck are mine. I mean, if there's anything on here keepable, I don't know. This was a tough one. We've got this dresser and a mirror that are in decent shape, sellable shape, but it's missing a drawer. I've got a decent coffee table and end tables, but they're missing the glass. I thought maybe we had redeemed ourselves with this microwave in the box with the styrofoam. Alas, they fooled me and they put the old one in there. So that's junk. Junk. We've got a sofa that's in fairly rough shape. Maybe $50, maybe, if we're lucky. Junk and adult things. We don't want to get into that. Junk. The washing machine, I'm not sure. This is why I bought it. It's a front-loading washer, but as you can see, it's rough. But we'll plug it in when we get home, and if it works, you know, we might can get a few dollars out of it, you know, and say it's not pretty, but if you need a washer, this will wash your clothes. A tough day. I love making videos of things when they go really well, and most of the time they do. This one, you know, we just look at it like the property owners here don't have to go through the trouble of cleaning something out and all that, so, and getting rid of a bunch of trash. So it's a blessing to them, and you know, we got to help somebody. So hopefully we'll make a little money and we'll maybe break even on this one. But this was not a win. Tough one. Anyway, let's get on to the dump. See you next time.